Hey everyone, it's your boy, Whack Mac here. Back at it again with another episode. Today, we're at the abode, and we're reviewing Pancake. Let's get some... Where did the syrup go?
Hey yo, we need some syrup and
there you go. I got it. We got some log cabin, no high fructose corn syrup.
Log cabin sucks.
Thank you.
So why do you have it?
Syrup. With our homemade pancakes on our paper plate.
I just can't believe that.
Let's go give it a nice little dunkage, if you would.
What?
Who else needs eggs?
There we go. That seems pretty dunked, if you ask me. It's alright, we'll cut it in post. Oh, this is gonna be an interesting...
Anyone else need eggs?
Oh, okay. First cut, not doing so hot with the plastic knife or fork.
I just took bites out of it. That's how.
Yeah, that might be the way. All right, let's give this pancake a taste test. That's actually really good. You know. Oh man, the log cabin kind of adds that consistency flavor that I never had. Oh, that's got to be like an easy 9.7. That right there, it holds its flavor down, and it really makes sure that I know that these are pancakes, which I do, because the flavor tastes so damn well. Thank you for watching another review. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Have a Jimmy Fresh day.